Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're in Dubai still, and now we are going to the Burj Khalifa to go to the top of the world observation deck up there. Was it the 150 billion floor?
And we're gonna go to the Dubai Mall.
And the Dubai Mall. And so, but first, we were gonna just take a taxi there, but traffic right now in Dubai is horrible. So a taxi is gonna take longer than taking the metro, so we're gonna try the metro.
But the taxis here are pretty cheap.
They're not bad. I mean,
the places from the hotel, except the airport, is like around 10 bucks. Airport is like $30.
So the airport's 30. We were gonna put in to see where some of the amusement parks were. Those are about a $30 car ride away. We're gonna find out how expensive the metro is. We have no clue, we don't have tickets, so let's go figure it out together.
Let's go take the metro in Dubai.
So that's one of the boats that we could have taken on the go-kart. A bunch of these other boats are touristic boats. They're like hour-long cruises. So hopefully one day we get to take one or two of them. Metro cards. Thank you, sir. And which way would we take to go to Burj Khalifa?
Platform 1.
Platform 1, thank you. And about how much would that be on the card? Okay, thank you. All right, maybe the metro during rush hour wasn't the best idea. Maybe it would be better to be stuck in a cab in traffic. It is so packed in the metro right now. Oh, we made it. We're in the Dubai Mall.
Unbelievable.
The crazy pack.
It's crazy. People sit on the metro floor.
Oh, one girl was.
And the guy behind me.
Was there?
Yeah.
Wow. A crazy pack though, girl. Two girls got into a fight about pushing and shoving. Wow.
I've never seen in my life anything like this.
Super, it was a clean metro, don't get me wrong, but probably twice the number of people in there that you would want.
The metro was clean, people around was some of them smelly, but
it's 100 degrees out and 40% humidity, so. We still got it. Can't wait to get out there and check out that. Oh, there's the Burj.
wow.
Terrible reflection, but I can't wait to go up. So now we're in the, what is this? The Dubai Mall. It is so pretty. There's artwork everywhere, design elements. It is really, really impressive.
And that's the way you go to Burj Khalifa.
Yep.
You have to
Through
go
the mall.
through the mall.
And there's a lot of like security guards that are more than happy to help you. They speak English so far. We've asked two of them for directions and they both understood me perfectly.
Yeah,
We'll see how good their directions are.
Clean.
Super clean.
Everywhere. The bathrooms are very clean. And it's nice and pretty. So we didn't check what's the prices on the mall yet.
I don't think we need to.
And we still are like, I don't know, we just started and I can't see how big it is.
We found it. We found the entrance to the top of the world at the Burj. At least we're getting closer. We saw a sign for it.
I found Louis Vuitton, so let's go.
Hey, easy here, lady. These are real Louis Vuittons here. We got our tickets. We got our tickets. But it's quite the line, so hopefully it moves really quick. Some really interesting displays on the way in. 2006, I got to the 50th floor. 2007, level 100, another 50 floors. 2007, still at 150. Wow. 2008, level 160 went up. I'm not even sure if I want to go up this thing anymore. Completed Spire in 2009. The cladding was complete at the end of 2009. Well, that's a really cool animation. Finally, we're out of one line, and maybe we're ready to go up, I hope. I hope it's not another line. I'm ready. Oh, you can see it count. Look how fast it goes.
Let's see if you can go 124 in 1 minute.
1 minute ride.
Let's find somewhere to look out here. Wow, we're so high up. So we're on the 124th floor, and there is still like, I don't even know how many floors above us. It is insane.
So Burj Khalifa, he got a lot of world records, right? It's been over 2,716 feet and more than 160 stories. And the record they got is the tallest building in the world, the tallest freestanding structure in the world, the highest number of stories in the world, highest occupied floor in the world, highest outdoor observatory deck in the world, elevator with the longest travel distance in the world, and the tallest service elevator in the world.
That's a lot of records, and you can feel it move just a little bit up here. You feel it, baby?
It's kind of scary being like so high. We're at 125 floor up.
24 right now. We can go up one more.
124 floors up, like what, half mile up?
Yeah, almost. Yeah. Just look at the beautiful view from up here, though. Going up to 125? Let's go, 125, here we come. Oh, the view from 125 is much different. Now the outdoor observation deck really isn't that big, it's just on one little area.
But it's the biggest in the world.
The tallest. The highest, the most floors.
So crowded, and you are inside the Burj Khalifa, but you don't see it. You see it better from the outside than inside.
They have one of these walking along the glass floors, but it's TV screens. It's a fake glass floor.
Glass floor, but the breaking part is oh my god, that's scary, isn't it?
Really? I mean, it's interesting, but if it was a real glass floor, that would be crazy.
I swear, when I did it under my feet, I couldn't feel it.
It's really cool. It's like a viewing platform, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and it shows you a live camera, what it looks like on a clear day, at nighttime, and the historic view, what it was before they built something here. It's really pretty interesting. Ooh, that was zooming in. Of course, there's a obligatory gift shop up here. There's also a small coffee shop. And of course, the unbelievable views. Chris is having fun with the little fake glass floor exhibit. There it is.
There is two. It's one and a half. How much are those?
The weird part about this observation deck is you don't feel the height. Like sometimes you go on top of shorter buildings, and I think because you're closer to the ground, you really feel how high up you are. This feels more like I'm in an airplane. Of course, there's always the obligatory gift shop on the way out. All the crap I never knew you needed, right? Oh, but for $71, you can get a little statue. It's metal though.
71 euros.
Okay. All right, so we're outside now by the fountain here, and looking from up above, it really looks like the Bellagio fountain. But we're gonna see. It has a show and all that.
So this is famous for this mall. The swimmers are inside the mall. So this is the famous thing everybody wants to take picture with. And we're gonna take pictures before. Oh, it's all the way around. And what I didn't know was two of them. So let's see here. Same thing. Ooh. Wow, it's
Pretty cool sculpture.
yeah, and this is like almost 3 levels up. You can see the stairs from here. Very cool.
So also here at the Dubai Mall is the aquarium. We got here late after looking at the Burj Khalifa, and it closes at 9, but they still have this one outdoor tank that you can just come and view. It is magnificent. This aquarium is huge. I mean, it has to be at least 50 yards across, 40 yards across. I don't think I've ever seen an aquarium this large before. So we're hungry and we decided to go eat here. Al Halab. It was a part of our Go Pass card, so why not? Free meal. Let's go. It looks like a beautiful restaurant. Look at this place. Absolutely a beautiful restaurant. So we're gonna go here. Hey baby, you feel fancy? I know, the waiter came and like made our little plates, and it comes with all these little appetizers: hummus, tabbouleh salad, baba ganoush, rolled grape leaf, fresh, I mean fresh pita. It just came out of the oven. Ooh, I can't wait to eat. So our main dishes, we both got the mixed grill. It's a chicken breast shish kebab, a lamb kebab, and little lamb bites off of the shish kebab as well. Some fries, pita. I mean, just a ton of food. I'm really glad we used this off the go-kart. This is a great meal. And then for dessert, a whole plate of baklava. Every single one of them is different too. All different types of baklava.
But we cannot eat them anymore.
We're so full. And a Turkish tea. What an amazing meal. Yeah, amazing.
Very good. Cheers.
Is that the end of the night? Cheers. Good night. Bye, guys. Tomorrow we'll be in Old Town doing a tour again. So follow along to see our next video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.